sticky dollars better than an empty pocket. There you go. You want to write that down.
Today we're working on an interior recon. New Ram 1500. Getting the finishing touches as we speak. Didn't do an exterior on this one. That's going to be coming soon. You can see on the front seat here, it got a full extraction. Got all the stains out of the bottom. Here we're at the driver's side. And again, another extracted seat. Every seat in this vehicle got extracted. Here's the dash. See, we have everything cleaned, every crack and crevice. It has a full UV protection coating with Scotch Guard. Now that we've got the carpet looking brand new, we're going to throw the floor mats in. Show you those. Well, that's all for this one. Thanks for sticking around. If you made it this far, please don't forget to like the video, give our page a follow, and see you on the next one. Later.